Hi everybody, welcome back to Carlotte's World, and today we're going to make chocolate ube cake. All we need is chocolate, flour, sugar, and eggs. First, mix the sugar, all of it, and carefully the egg. Scoop the flour. Now add the chocolate. Put the mixer in the tray, then you put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Then after we take it out of the oven, let this cool for about 5 minutes. Roll the cake like this, and then we wait for the cream. When we're done, put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. We're finally gonna try the ube cake. We're gonna try it right now. Let me just cut it in half. If you like the video, please press like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. Bye!